everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a pumpkin topiary cloche. So I grabbed one of the cloches. They're plastic from Dollar Tree. Some pumpkins in 3 different sizes, so a small, a medium, and a large. And these are from Dollar Tree, and I believe the bigger one is from Hobby Lobby. Some white glitter, some white glue to glow with the white glitter, some white chalk paint, black chalk paint, and also some striped ribbon. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our pumpkins. So we're going to paint the biggest pumpkin white. And I left the stem on so I could hold it. The next one we're going to paint white also. This is the smallest pumpkin. And then the biggest pumpkin is going to be black. So once I had them all painted, we are going to start adding some embellishments to them. So on the smallest pumpkin, halfway around, I painted the bottom half of the pumpkin black. So this pumpkin will be half black and half white. Then on the biggest pumpkin, the one that is all white, I'm going to take the end of my paintbrush and I'm going to add polka dots to it. And you can paint your pumpkins any colors that you want. I just chose to do black and white because I thought it was really cute and it matched my cloche, and I have been doing a lot of black and white Halloween and I just think it's really cute. So once I had the polka dots on my pumpkin, I took the all black pumpkin, and this is going to be our middle pumpkin, so the medium-sized one. I added some white glue to the top. I set it on a plate, and then I'm going to add my glitter to the white glue. Once I had all my glitter on, I took the small pumpkin, the one we painted half black and half white, and I'm going to paint the stem with some of the black chalk paint. At this point, I'm going to remove all of the stems from the other 2 pumpkins. I'm only going to leave the stem on the small pumpkin. Once everything was dry, I'm going to start gluing them onto my cloche. So I'm going to take my large pumpkin, the one I painted with polka dots, and I'm going to hot glue that to the bottom, right on top of the bottom of the cloche. Then I'm going to add my glitter pumpkin on top of that, and then my little half white, half black pumpkin on top of that. And you're going to want to wait for everything to dry before you do this step. Once everything is glued firmly, I'm going to add my top to my cloche. Then I'm going to take the black and white ribbon that I had, and I'm going to hot glue that around the bottom of my cloche at the base. And like I said, you can add any embellishments that you want. You can make this your own. You could put some Spanish moss down at the bottom if you wanted to. You could add a bow if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. This is just giving you the general idea of what I was doing. As with all of my projects, they are for interpretation for you to make your own. And I think this turned out absolutely adorable. I love it. I'm loving the whole black and white Halloween pumpkin theme. And how adorable is that? It came out super cute, and I absolutely love it. I hope this inspires you guys to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.